Hi, Little Big listeners. It's me, Marcus. If you are an adult listener and enjoy our stories, please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and rate our podcast. The more ratings we get, the faster we climb up the charts, and the more stories we'll get to share. Thanks. Now let's get to it. Oh, hi there. You're listening to Little Big Stories with Marcus
and Ashley. We're here to share stories and songs that will knock your socks off.
Just one more thing. My hat. Where is my hat? Oh, there you are, hat. Right on my head you go. Oh, that must be Ashley.
Hi, Marcus. How are you, buddy?
Hi, Ashley. I'm good. And as you can tell, I'm ready for our walk.
Great. Let's go.
All right, let me close my door.
What a lovely day, hey, Marcus?
Yep, it sure is. Fall's my favorite time of year.
Me too.
Can you smell the air?
Smells great.
The fall air reminds me of the time Mabel and I went to pick apples.
I think I feel a story coming along.
Okay, I can tell you a great story about fall.
Episode 9, You and I plus Apple Pie.
It was a beautiful autumn day. Mabel and I met each other at an apple orchard. There were rows and rows of trees with apples on them. Some were green, some red, and some yellow. Mabel, over here.
Hi, Marcus. I'm so excited to be here with you today.
Me too, Mabel. Look at all the different apples we're gonna pick today.
I know. I love apples. I can't wait to make an apple pie when I get home.
Oh, I love apple pie. Can I come over and help?
Sure, Marcus.
Mabel and I went to pick up a basket. We needed somewhere to put our apples. Mabel, where would you like to start?
How about that tree right over there with the green and red apples?
Okay, let's go. I wonder what kind of apples these are. I took one from the tree, and guess what happened?
This is a Macintosh apple. It has red and green skin, and on the inside it's white. It tastes tart and oh so juicy.
Oh, hi. Do I know you from somewhere?
Well, I'm a worm that certainly likes to travel. The name is Wes.
Wes! I knew it. It's me, Marcus. Remember me from my grandma's garden?
Oh yeah, Marcus. I told you all about wormholes.
Yes, you did. This is my friend Mabel.
Pleasure to meet you, Wes. Will you be joining us today?
Sure, I can tell you all about the many apples that grow here.
Okay, so I will take 5 of these Macintosh apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wes, Mabel, and I went to get more apples.
Okay, so these apples are called Honey Crisp.
Oh, I love honey.
Well, they don't have honey on them, but they are sweet like honey, and they are great for making apple pie.
I'll take 10 of these then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, look, I see green apples up ahead.
I think those are called Granny Smith apples. Let's go check them out. Can I get a ride on your shoulder, please, Marcus?
Of course you can.
Does that mean grandmas grew these apples?
Well, that's a very good question, but nope. These apples were named after an orchardist named Maria Ann Smith. This apple is green, tart, crisp, and juicy.
I don't think I like it when they are too tart. It's a little bit too sour for me. I'll take 2 just to try. 1, 2.
I like these ones. I think I'm gonna take 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My basket is getting really full.
How about we check out one more apple then, Mabel?
That's a great idea, Marcus. Let's go.
I see really cool red ones way over there.
Oh yeah, those are called Red Delicious, and they're very sweet.
Just like you, Wes.
Oh, thank you.
I love sweet apples. I'm gonna take 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
I can't reach this one, Marcus. Can you help me?
I'll help you, Mabel. Oh my goodness, this is really high up there.
You can do it.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, Mabel.
I think it's time to go now, Wes. We gotta pay for our apples, Mabel.
Oh, golly. I'll miss you guys. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye, Wes. Can I give you a little kiss on the cheek?
Sure you can. Oh boy, what a day it's been. Bye guys, have a good day.
Bye, Wes.
Bye, Wes.
Mabel and I went to pay for our apples, then headed straight to Mabel's house. What a great day, Mabel. Now, can we make some apple pie?
Which apple did Wes say was great for pie?
Honey Crisp.
Oh, yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now, we need ingredients. We need unsalted butter.
Check.
Flour.
Double check.
White sugar and brown sugar.
Check and check.
And we can't forget the pie crust, which I already bought.
Mabel and I peeled and cut all 10 apples.
Now, first step, we have to melt the butter. Mom, can you help me melt the butter? Sorry, Marcus, but I can't use the stove without my mom.
Okay, that sounds fair to me. Safety first, right, Mabel?
Right.
Mabel's mom helped us melt the butter and sugar, and we put that all together, and we stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred.
Now we have to put the apples on top of the crust and cover it up with more pastry dough.
Mabel's mom helped us put the pie into the oven, and Mabel and I waited patiently.
What should we do while we wait, Marcus?
Well, how about we write a song together about fall?
Great idea. I'm gonna go get my ukulele. I'll be right back.
Okay, I will be thinking of a beat. Okay, let's think. Boom cha, boom cha, boom cha, boom cha. Yeah, that's a good one. I'll let Mabel know when she gets here.
Hi, Marcus. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so how should we start the song?
Okay, I will start with the beat.
Okay, go.
Boom cha, 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 boom cha. Oh, I like that, Mabel.
Thanks, Marcus. Ooh. Oh, yeah. We're making music while we wait for our pie. Now you.
Can't wait to taste it. Oh, me, oh, my.
And when we're finished, we will go outside
And throw the leaves way up high.
fall.
I love fall.
Right on time.
That's funny. Mabel's mom took out the pie for us, and we waited for it to cool down.
I think the pie is ready. Marcus, would you like the first piece?
Yes, please, Mabel. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This pie is super duper.
Yeah, it's really, really good. I love this pie. Thanks for the day, Marcus. I had so much fun.
Me too, Mabel. Next time we should use a different apple to make a different kind of apple pie.
Yeah, and maybe we can invite Wes next time.
And we did, and it was great. The end.
Great story, Marcus. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. Now, can you guess what I brought for a snack?
An orange?
No.
Some grapes?
Okay. I will bite into it, but you can't look.
Okay, I won't look. I'll turn around.
Okay, here we go. Can you guess what it is?
I think it's apple.
Yeah, it is an apple. Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks, Marcus. Remember, whether you're big or you're little,
We think you're special.
join us next time on Little Big Stories with
Marcus?
and Ashley.
Bye.